And as I see in the last 3 days, that goes including me, a lot of eyes feel a little tired now. A lot of people are wondering when we will get the things done and we can go back to our own places to carry out routine work. Now, when we did concern last year, and probably last to last year, we had a vision. That vision was to get as many as possible foreign students to come and study with Indian universities, as well as develop collaborations between Indian and foreign universities and colleges. Since past 20 odd months, we have been experiencing a lot of inputs, meetings, knowledge, sharing of experiences, where we started working on this to a level which I'm sure would be appreciated by each one of you after I tell you what we have reached, what milestone we have reached for this. I would say we, because it was me and a lot of times somebody with me, in totality concluded 214 meetings, not only in India but abroad as well. Traveled 11 countries, spoke to almost 300 educational consultants, and then we reached a conclusion of developing something which we call a tool to get foreign students to study in India, and that tool is called GAME. When I say GAME, it means Global Management Application Engine. As an Indian university, what are the key problems that we face when we go out recruiting international students? Number one, the Indian visa system is not very outlined and comprehensive. For all countries, there are different rules, different ways of how students can apply and get the visa, different time frames. The student definitely approaches some consultant overseas who tells the student that, okay, I have a list of this university I represent and you can get admission into this university. Now, that consultant forwards the documents of the student to the university representative. The university representative verifies and then says, okay, I think you are eligible for admission in our university, and then sends the offer letter to the student for admitting him. The whole process sometimes takes more than 3 days, 4 days, or even a week. Right from the student going to the consultant to generation of the offer letter. Now, this process of generating the offer letter is in itself one factor which drives the student to choose a particular college or a university. Why? Because there are 5 universities to whom the documents are sent. The one that issues the offer letter earliest has more chances of getting that particular student, because at the end of the day, it is the consultant who is sitting overseas who guides the student to take up which university or not to take up whichever university. So one was this time frame that is required to initiate the process of getting the admission done, after which the student can commence his admission process and the visa process. Apart from that, the second important point was that there was no intermediary body, or there was no authority who could at least tell the consultant that, look, these are a set of universities, you can work with them without any problem, without any tension. They are approved by Indian organizations, like Indian government authorities like AICTE or UGC or others. So keeping everything in mind and taking reports from educational consultants from over 60 countries, we started this journey of developing an MIS on which we plan to centralize the complete system of student recruitment for Indian universities and colleges. Today, after almost 20 months, along with testing of this system with one Indian university, the chairman of which had joined us today, called APG Shimla University. I really want to thank the APG Shimla University for trusting concern and helping us out, not only in the implementation of the project, but they also funded us to a level to make sure that we don't get any kind of problems. So I would really appreciate the efforts of APG Shimla University. We'll show you a video, but I can tell you like that as well, that only in the first year of operations, last year till this year, APG Shimla University, where it has done admissions of around 260 students for its university in the first year, they have recruited 51 international students through this system at a cost of only 1 lakh rupees. I know most of you will be amazed to know how is this possible. It is possible because it has happened. And it will further be possible because now it will happen in a big way. Why? Because this year we plan to introduce 9 more Indian universities or institutions on this system, where they can recruit students from 62 countries with only one personal engagement. They will have to depute one HR, one person who will manage the complete system, and they will be able to recruit without any cost. So we look for quality universities, most of them who have joined us in this program, to partner us for this particular system called Global Application Management Engine, through which, and through the support of all the people who are here, we plan to get at least 10,000 students to India by 2020. That's our mission. Thank you so much.